Smooth target encoding. Smooth target encoding is a powerful technique for handling categorical variables in machine learning models. It involves encoding categorical features with their corresponding target variable's mean value. However, to mitigate overfitting and improve generalization, a smoothing technique is applied to balance the influence of the category-specific mean with the global mean. Here's the formula we use for smooth target encoding. Let's break it down. Sum of target values. This is the total of target values for a specific category, global mean. The overall mean of the target variable in your dataset. Count the number of the target variable in your dataset times a category appears in your dataset. M. This is the smoothing parameter. A higher mean gives more weight to the global mean, reducing the impact of small sample sizes. Prevents overfitting to low-frequency categories. Handles rare categories, smoothly encodes categories with very few samples. Retains information. Unlike one-hot encoding, it doesn't oversimplify the data. Improves model performance. Model performance works exceptionally well with datasets containing many unique categories. Limitations to watch out for: target leakage risk. Be careful. If done improperly, it can lead to leakage, especially in a test dataset. Parameter tuning. You'll need to fine-tune through cross-validation for the best results. Less intuitive. The values it generates may be harder to interpret compared to simpler techniques. Target dependency. It only works in supervised learning, where you have a clear target variable. Now, let's dive into the Python code to see how to implement smooth target encoding. Stay tuned as I guide step by step. We will be using Python libraries Pandas and NumPy. Here's the toy dataset we'll be working with. It has 3 columns: temperature, our categorical variable, color, an additional column we want to encode in this example, target, our target variable, which we're trying to predict. We a pandas data frame using this dataset. Now let's write the reusable function. The function takes 4 inputs: the dataset as a pandas data frame, the name of the categorical column to encode the name of the target column, and the smoothing parameter m inside the function. We first calculate the global mean of the target variable. Next, we calculate the count and the mean for each category in the categorical column. Here, the count represents how many times each category appears in the dataset, and the mean is the average target value for each category. Now, let's apply the smooth target encoding formula. This formula blends the category-specific mean with the global mean, weighted by the smoothing parameter. After calculating the smooth means, we map these values back to the original data frame. Now let's apply the function to our dataset. When we print the updated data frame, we'll see a new column called temp smooth encoded, which contains the smooth target encoded values. If you're enjoying this video and finding value in it, don't forget to hit that like button. It really helps me to reach more people like you. And if you want to keep learning and exploring exciting topics like this, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update.